good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this strap of Redmi Watch. This is Redmi Watch 2 Lite. Okay, as this strap got damaged, I just ordered this package from Flipkart, which is 180 rupees. Yeah, let us just open this package and just I'll try to remove this and fit this new straps. Okay, and remember these are of not original but silicone. Okay, compatible, you can say. Let me just open this. Yeah, this is the package. I'll be just trying to open this and I'll show you the quality and the fitting also. Okay, here it is mentioned like Redmi Watch 2 Lite. This is Jape Silicone Compatible for Redmi Watch 2 Lite or Redmi GPS Smart Watch, and this is of black color. Okay, yeah, see here the quality is decently good. Okay, if you want a review video of this, you can just comment the review, so that once I use this for like at least 4 to 5 months, I'll be telling you what is the status of this straps. So see here, there are two pins sort of like this, so this can lock up here. So what can I do is I'll just try to remove this first. To remove this, just I need to press this button inside and this will be removed. Okay, see carefully, I'm just pressing this and removing this strap now. Yeah, I just removed this. Now I can just simply fit this to the watch. Yeah, see, I made the fitting. Now this is perfectly fine. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. And this is rated 4.1. yeah, so which is decently good and within the reasonable price. This is the ring. This is of also silicone type. Yeah, exactly. Okay, and the quality is also decent. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. And the fitting is also decently fine and good.